Going on out there, y'all. Today we're gonna be installing this wing or this spoiler right here, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna be installing this right here on that 2007 Honda Civic right there. And this is gonna be the one with the brake light. So I'll show you how to wipe the brake light also. It's not too hard. And we're all gonna have to drill holes in the trunk and mount it, and we're gonna have to seal it off, make sure it don't leak. So I'm gonna wipe my trunk down a little bit, get the dirt off of it. Then we go ahead and get started. All right, I'm gonna show you everything that it came with. These right here just to help seal it. These stick to the bottom of the wing right there. Got the bolts right here, 4 bolts, 2 on each side. Gotta get them things out of there. They screw right into the bottom of the wing. They screw in from the bottom of the trunk, so when you drill the holes in, you screw these in through the bottom. And these, I don't know. I actually don't know what these are. I'm probably not gonna even want to use these. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up where I want it at. Got my trunk halfway wiped down a little bit. I'm gonna make sure it's centered and everything and get it pretty much situated how I want it. All right, now this is what's kind of gonna look like when it's on the car. Don't mind how dirty the car is. I gotta wash this thing. But what I'm gonna do, I think a little trick I'm about to try out. I'm gonna use these right here so I can line it up so I know where to drill the holes at. I'm not gonna stick these to the bottom of this yet. I'm gonna sit it on there. I'm gonna sit the wing on top of it. That way I know exactly where the holes go at. We can drill the holes there. All right, that's what I was talking about. I had these sitting up here and I had the wing sitting on top of this right here, and I line these up where I want them at. And I carefully lifted the wing up off of it so these right here wouldn't move. That way I know exactly where the line of hose, and I just scratch a little bit, put a mark in. Doesn't matter if you scratch up or not. It's about to cover it up anyway with this wing, so I know where to drill the holes at for these. Now I'm not gonna drill super big holes, especially this hole right here in the middle. All I gotta do is get the wire to go through that hole, but the 2 on the outsides and the 2 on the opposite side, I gotta drill them at least big enough to fit the screw through. So looking at that, let's see what size drill bit we're gonna use. I may use this one right here. Looks like the 1/4, and that should be good. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with the 3/8 just for now. See if the screw will fit through it. If not, I'll go up to the 1/4. But we're gonna do 3/8 right now. Now, while I'm drilling these holes, this right here is my 3/8. This right here is a 1/8. I'm gonna go smaller first with a 1/8 just to get the hole started. I'm gonna make it bigger with the 3/8 here. All right, got all the holes drilled out now. Went in, redid the outside holes, made them a little bit bigger. And I tested out with the screw. I ended up having to use the bigger one, the 1/4. So we got the 2 on this side. We got 3 on this side here. I left the middle one a little bit small. I think I left this one the 1/8. Just running the ground wire. And we just run the brake wires through there for the brake light. So next step, all we gotta do now is just go ahead and mount it. All right, first thing we gotta do, place this right here on the bottom of it. Keep from any moisture, any kind of rain, anything getting in there. We're gonna go ahead and stick these on the bottom of it real quick. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run my brake wire through here, get it all the way around through first. Now the way I'm about to do this, I'm gonna get the 2 screws on the outside. I'm gonna get them started first, the ones that's closer to the front of the car. Them will be the easier one to start. I'll show you when I pull it up and we get inside of here. All right, we got it all mounted up now. That's what I was saying about the screws here. These bottom ones are the easy ones. The harder ones gonna be the top ones up there. I had to drill like an extra hole through here just so I can get to that screw. But it wasn't too bad though. It was easy. Now all we gotta do is run our brake wire for the brake light. Brake light on the Honda Civic is gonna be right here. These back here are just your running lights. So this is why they give you the long cord. The easy way to hide this is, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this little piece right here, it has some cords running down in it, if y'all can see them. So I'm gonna run this in here. I'm gonna run it down here, bring it through back here, and so we can get inside here. This is what we're gonna start winding up at. I'll show you how to wire it up here in a minute. Now I started running the cable. I started tugging it back here. I'll finish it up here later. But we pull it back here. Now mine's, I don't know if y'all can see these bulbs. There's 4 bulbs in here. 1, 2, it's a small one here and 1 here. This right here is your running light, and then this one here is your brake light. I think these 2 are maybe the reverse lights, or one is reverse and one is the I think turn signal, I think. But the biggest one on top right here, this is the one we're gonna be wiring up to. This is our brake light. All right, now we got to back it open. This is the harness right here from the brake light. Got 3 wires on there. We got a green wire, red wire, and a black wire. Now what we got to do is, off the brake light from the wing, the red wire, we can hook it up to the green wire, and the black wire hooks up to the black. Then we're going to test it out right quick. I'm just going to stick it in here and press the brakes when we see if the light turns on. All right, there's the red, green, and black. And we got it hooked up to the red to the green and the black to the black. All right, go ahead and push the brakes. Let go. Push again. All right, there we go. We got it. All right, y'all, that's what we're looking like right here. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good. We got the red wire that's coming from our wing brake light. We got that hooked up to the green right here, and we got the black hooked up to the black. Pretty much all I did was just splice into it. Now I'm gonna hook this back up to my actual brake right here. Then we're gonna check all the wires. All right, guys, so what's the finished product look like? Everything's all tucked away. Can't see no wire sticking out, just this little bit. It's gonna be sticking out right here. You won't be able to see that too much. I might just put some black tape and just cover that up. But there we have it. Man, I need to wash my car. And there we it, y'all. Everything is all installed. It's looking good. I guess we could do a brake check for y'all real quick before we get out of here. Let's check it out, see if it works. Oh, you go ahead and press it. Oh yeah, we lit up. Let go right quick. Press again. All right, there it is. All right, y'all, there y'all have it, man. Installing a wing or spoiler 2007 Honda Civic. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.